Welcome to the future of business. This is AI operating systems, the 2026 business opportunity. Most people think AI is just about ChatGPT. You ask a question, it gives an answer, and that's it. But businesses in 2026 are realizing something much bigger. AI is no longer just a chatbot. It is rapidly becoming an operating system, completely changing how businesses function. This shift is creating a massive opportunity for freelancers, creators, consultants, and automation agencies. Businesses need systems, not just tools. So, what exactly is an AI operating system? An AI operating system is a simple concept, a connected setup of AI tools, automations, workflows, and integrations that help a business run faster and smarter. Previously, business workflows were scattered and manual. Now, AI can connect all of it together, turning occasional AI use into a core AI-powered system. Why are businesses suddenly prioritizing this transformation? The truth is, most businesses are drowning in repetitive work: emails, client onboarding, content planning, and scheduling. These tasks are repetitive, and they drain resources. Repetitive work is exactly what AI and automation handle best, driving massive efficiency improvements. This is where the massive opportunity lies, in building these sophisticated systems for businesses. Business owners know AI is important, but they have no idea which tools to use, how to connect them, or how to create integrated systems. If you understand AI tools, prompts, workflows, and integrations, you can become the person who builds these systems, and businesses are willing to pay for this real value. The key to landing clients is selling the value, not the technical tool itself. Avoid technical jargon like "I build AI automations." Business owners care about outcomes, not technical words. I help businesses reduce repetitive work using AI systems. This shifts the focus from a technical process to a tangible, valuable outcome. So, what are the usual components that make up an effective AI operating system? AI chat systems like ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini handle writing, brainstorming, summaries, customer responses, and documentation. Automation platforms like N8N, Zapier, and Make connect various applications and automate complex workflows seamlessly. Project management tools such as Notion, ClickUp, and Trello serve as the central workspace, integrated into the AI OS. Remember, you don't need massive, complex systems right away. Businesses usually start with small pain points. Solving these small, high-value problems first is key to building trust and expanding your AI OS services. Let's look at some examples of small, high-impact AI solutions across different industries. A real estate agency, for instance, might simply need automated lead follow-up, AI-generated property descriptions, or appointment scheduling. A content creator could be looking for AI content workflows, thumbnail idea generation, or automated script organization. And a local business may need AI customer support, automated review responses, or invoice automation systems. These are small systems, but they save huge amounts of time. Now here's the best part, and the key to your opportunity. Most businesses are still very early in their AI adoption journey. Many business owners still manually copy data, send repetitive emails, manage tasks manually, and waste countless hours organizing information. They know this inefficiency exists, they just don't know how to fix it. That is precisely where you come in. Now let's discuss how to actually get clients with this, because this is where most people get stuck. The biggest mistake is trying to sell big retainers immediately. That creates pressure, and beginners often freeze. Instead, start small. Offer something simple, clear, and outcome-focused, like, "I'll help you set up your AI operating system in a one-on-one session." You're not selling a huge, complicated service. You're selling clarity. You help businesses identify repetitive tasks, choose the right AI tools, connect workflows, and build simple automations to improve productivity. Now for the easiest client acquisition strategy. And honestly, this part is incredibly underrated. You don't need fancy funnels, viral content, or expensive ads initially. You just need conversations. Start by finding businesses already overwhelmed with repetitive work, usually agencies, coaches, creators, or local businesses. Once you've identified your target, the next step is looking for visible inefficiencies before you reach out. Look for visible inefficiencies like slow response times, poor onboarding, inconsistent content, or scattered systems. Then send a simple, non-pushy, outcome-focused message. Hey, I noticed your team is manually handling repetitive workflows. I help businesses simplify operations using AI systems and automation. I'd be happy to show you a few ideas that could save time. That's it. Simple, non-pushy, and outcome-focused. This approach makes selling AI solutions much easier. Here's a crucial point. Most businesses don't need fully autonomous AI agents yet, and many are simply overwhelmed by complex AI concepts. Your advantage lies in simplicity. While technical people often build complicated systems, business owners crave clarity. If you can provide that clarity, you immediately become valuable. Focus on these actions: explaining AI clearly, simplifying workflows, reducing complexity, and creating genuinely useful systems. This is your path to becoming indispensable. By focusing on reducing complexity and building useful systems, you provide direct value that outweighs technical sophistication. Now, let's talk about pricing. In the beginning, keep it simple and don't overthink it. You can start generating revenue through paid consultation calls, setup sessions, and valuable workflow audits. Offering simple automation packages is a great entry point to prove value quickly to businesses. Even helping a business organize their prompts, workflows, AI tools, templates, and automations can become a paid, high-value service. Over time, as you build trust and showcase results, you can expand your offerings for recurring revenue. The market is accelerating fast because businesses are realizing a critical truth. AI alone is not enough. Random tools are insufficient. Businesses need interconnected systems that work together seamlessly. This realization is why the phrase AI operating system is gaining traction. Businesses want AI fully integrated into their daily operations, not used in isolation. The opportunity extends far beyond just building AI systems. The true opportunity lies in becoming the person who understands the combination of business workflows, AI tools, automation logic, and productivity systems all together. This combination of skills is rare right now, and rare skills generate immense leverage, especially during major technology shifts like the one we're in now. The most important advice? Don't wait until you become an expert. Many stay stuck learning forever, but businesses don't need perfection. They need solutions. Even small workflow improvements create huge value. Start simple, learn basic automations, practice connecting tools, and build small systems. Above all, learn how businesses actually operate, because understanding their problems is what truly matters. This is where the biggest opportunities usually are, and it's time to act. If you're starting an automation business, AI consulting service, or workflow agency, this is one of the biggest opportunities available right now, due to the genuine need for operational efficiency at scale. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more content on AI systems, automation, workflows, and the future of AI-powered work. This industry is changing faster than most people realize.